Young woman reported missing from Trelawny. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 22-year-old Sophia Foster of Newton Street in Falmouth, Trelawny, has been missing since Monday, November the 20th. She is of dark complexion, medium build, and about 162 centimeters or 5 feet 4 inches tall. Reports from the Falmouth police are that at about midday, Foster was last seen at home wearing a blue jeans pants and a pair of black slippers. She has not been seen or heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Sophia Foster is being asked to contact the Falmouth Police Station at 876-954-3271, the Police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.